In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Messenger button to your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, we need to open up Facebook app. Once it's done, tap right here to go to menu, and here first of all, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to our page. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here, and now I'm gonna select the page, some page from that list. After a couple of seconds, we'll be switched from our Facebook profile to our page. And now we need to go to that page by tapping at its profile picture here. After that, once it is done, tap at these three dots next to edit. And here, if you're stuck, we can top interview as to check how our page is going to look like for people who are going to visit you. And also here we'll find an action button option. It says here that we can have 1 or 2 buttons shown on our page. And to add at least 1 button, we need to tap right here. That's where at the very top we can easily find a message. We can just select it and then hit save. After a couple of seconds, as you can see, Messenger button has already been added to our action buttons. And now we can go back to our page. And basically, this Messenger button will be displayed somewhere here under your page's name, and other users can tap at this bottom to message you via Facebook Messenger. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button